Hello everyone, welcome to Shaker's History Optional classes. Is syllabus too vast to finish in History Optional? That is true. It is too vast as per the syllabus given in UPSC notification. Let me show you the notification. See this notification? Paper 1, starting with consider like Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 5. Enter page, 10 chapters, 14, 16, 18, 21, 22, 24. Either you consider 24 units or chapters. 24 units are there in paper 1. As per the notification, it is really very vast. About paper 2. Again, start from here. Unit number 7. See this? So far, up to 15, only half of paper 2 completed. Now 16th onwards. Old history. 27 units in paper 2. To turn the pages itself has taken time. No doubt it is too vast. But how to handle it? And that is where our skill required. Even though UPSC mentioned history syllabus in these pages, but ultimately these are the themes every chapter is talking about. If you know to master history optional in themes, then it becomes one of the easiest optional papers in UPSC. The problem here is when you look at the syllabus, it appears very big. But ultimately, when you convert all these subtopics into major themes, these are the themes. And I will show you the example also. Geographical extent. Suppose if you go to Mauryan Empire, how much or how big Mauryan Empire is? Gupta Empire, how big Gupta Empire? If you go to Sangam period, geographical extent of the Sangam kingdoms. Shatavahanas, this is one theme. And their political administration. If Mauryan Empire is an entire Indian subcontinent, political administration of entire Indian subcontinent is the theme. If Satavahanas in Deccan, their geography territory means we have to know their political administration of the Deccan region, economic conditions of Shatavahanas, Mauryans, Guptas, Mughals, Delhi Sultans. Same only. It's like even though 4-5 pages are given, they are repetition of the same themes. It talks about social conditions. If Mauryan unit says social conditions, Gupta unit says so. Gupta social conditions. Art and culture includes science and technology also in this. Art and culture like literature, architecture, science and technology, and so on. Contacts with the outside world. Now I will show you the syllabus. Then you will really understand that if you master these themes, then your syllabus is almost done. This is the one. See this. Come to the Mauryan Empire. Foundation of the Mauryan Empire, Chandragupta Kautilya Ardhashastra. The geographical extent that will come. Rise of urban centers, economic condition, trade routes. That is Mahajanapadas. Here, Ashoka, concept of dharma. That means that is political administration. Edicts, polity, administration, economy, art and architecture. You see, same phrases. Culture, external contact, contact with outside world. Religion, spread of religion, literature. That is related to art and culture. You come to Gupta period. Polity and administration, economic conditions, coinage, economy, land grants, decline of urban centers, economy, Indian feudalism, economy, caste system, society, position of women, society, education and educational institutions, society, Nalanda, Vikramshila, Vallabhi, literature, scientific literature, art and architecture. Are you seeing? Same only. It only difference, the difference come with the timing and the geographic location. Suppose when you talk about Mauryan period, then whatever Mauryan time period is there, in this time period, you have to know these things. When you move to the next timeline, and during this time period, what are these themes? And many of these themes are going to repeat. For example, if you take social condition, Varna system continues. Once it starts, it will continue in different time periods. 6th century BC, 6th century CE, 16th century CE, 21st century. Caste system, identify, same theme repeats. Economic condition repeats, social conditions repeat, women conditions repeat. The moment you follow this approach, then history is going to be really fun. It is not going to be difficult one. I hope you are getting how to handle history optional syllabus. But if you go by line, UPSC just elaborated the syllabus for different time periods. Otherwise, broadly, most of the units fall under these categories only. All right. So in this way, we are going to understand history optional. If any student who is in need of assistance of history optional, you can please comment in the comment box. Thank you.